Have you ever wondered why people say bless you when someone sneezes? This custom dates back to ancient times. Long ago, sneezing was sometimes seen as a sign of illness or even a warning of bad luck. In the 6th century, during a plague, Pope Gregory I suggested saying, "Bless you," to offer protection and good wishes. Some believed a sneeze could expel one's spirit or let evil in, so the phrase was a way to safeguard the sneezer. Over time, it simply became a polite, automatic response, carrying on the tradition even when its original meaning faded.